Hey, Connor. Yeah. 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 Yeah, no. 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 Yeah. Yeah. No, I was just ringing because somebody's after submitting like a script called Dramsock the Play. Yeah. It's atrocious. Like, I don't know why we even allow original scripts. It's dreadful. Yeah. Yeah, no, like, I mean, and they're not even subtle about it. I mean, they keep the names of everybody in Dramsock. Like, there's an Erasmus student called Elizabeth Chapel. Yeah. Oh, and she's a slut, obviously. Yeah, I mean, come on. Yeah. Now here, yeah, no, here, will I read you a bit of it? Okay, this is Elizabeth's bit, right?
God, it's good to be me.
No, Stuart. You don't understand. It's not that I don't want to, it's that, well, I can't. Many days before I knew you, I got into some strange shit involving James McNulty, Finbar Doyle, Peter Meehan, 3 frogs, a can of tuna, and a lava lamp. Needless to say, it was hot.
Katie! 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 I've got Dramsock. G-O-double-S-I-P. Come here. Yeah. Let's go. Go! Spread the word, my dear!
She branded her name into their backs. That was what the lava lamp was for.
I heard she got frogs stuck up there.
I hear she's pregnant. It could belong to any one of them, except for the obvious. Or John Hurt.
No, I heard it's been going on for months, but McNulty is mental into frogs.
I hear they're starting a club for that sort of thing. Nice.
And you see, ladies, that is how you do gossip. Come. Let's all go to the toilet. Let's all go to the toilet. Let's all go to the toilet.